it a living thing? Look at these two things closely. We see an orangutan and a rock. Which one is living and which one is non-living? Let's figure it out together. First, let's learn what living things are. Living things need food, water, and air. The orangutan eats fruit. The fruit gives it energy. Orangutans need food to live. The orangutan also drinks water. Orangutans can't live without water. The orangutan breathes air. It fills its lungs and then breathes out. Orangutans need air to live. So far, orangutans need 3 of the things that living things need. They need food, water, and air. What's next? Living things make new living things. Orangutans definitely do that. They have fuzzy orange babies. This one holds on to its mom as she climbs. What else do living things do? Living things grow, change, and die. Look how the little baby grows and changes. Over time, it gets bigger and bigger until it looks just like its parents. And yes, orangutans die. All living things do. That's part of the cycle of life. So, are orangutans living things? Let's go through the list. Do they need food? Do they need water? Do they need air? Do they make new living things? Do they grow and change? Do they die? For something to be considered a living thing, it has to do all of these things. So, are orangutans living or non-living? Living! Orangutans are living things. Now let's move on to the rock. Is the rock living or non-living? Let's go through the steps. Does the rock need food? No, it doesn't. Does the rock need water? No, it doesn't. Does the rock need air? No, it doesn't need that either. Does the rock make new living things? No, it doesn't. You can chip off a piece of the rock, but the rock didn't make that. Does the rock grow, change, and die? Well, a rock can change. Air and water can wear down a rock. You can also smash it until it's dust. Maybe that's a kind of dying. We know that for something to be living, it has to do all of the things that living things do. If it doesn't do even one of them, it's non-living. So let's go through the list. Do rocks need food? Do they need water? Do they need air? Do they make new living things? Do they grow and change? Do they die? Not really. If we have even one no on the list, that means rocks are non-living. So, are they living or non-living? Non-living. There are a few no's on the list. Rocks are not living things. So remember, if it needs food, water, and air, and makes new living things, and changes, grows, and dies, it's a living thing. If it doesn't do even one of those things, it's non-living. Can you name one more living thing?